Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. I am your social studies teacher. Students, we are on chapter number 14, culture. This is third session of this chapter. In the previous two sessions we discussed arts is the main part of the culture. We briefly discussed about the all forms of arts such as dance, music, art, architecture and literature. We read about all the famous dances of different regions of Pakistan, types of music and musical instruments, art and famous artist, calligraphist, Mughal art, Pakistani typical truck art was also discussed. Students, we also read about the architecture, difference of modern and ancient buildings, religious buildings and historical heritage. Other than that, we also knew about the literature of Pakistan, that who are Pakistani famous poets and writers. Okay students, let's continue the chapter to know about the food of Pakistan. Yes students, today we will discuss the food of different regions of Pakistan. Students, open page number 98. Food, festivals and games. What kind of food do you eat at home? What festivals do you celebrate? What games do you play and which ones do you like watching? Let us look at some of our foods, favorite festivals and games. Students, each part of our country has its own traditional food, festival and games. Now we will read about the famous food, festival and games of of different regions of Pakistan. स्टूडेंट्स, गेम्स, फूड और फेस्टिवल भी कल्चर का एक अहम हिस्सा होते हैं. आप अपने घर पर क्या खाते हैं, कौन से फेस्टिवल्स सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, कौन से गेम खेलते हैं और कौन से गेम देखना पसंद करते हैं. So students, now we will gradually discuss about these things. Today we will briefly discuss about the food of Pakistan. Let's move on. Food and drink. Our food is famous throughout the world for its wonderful taste. There are thousands of restaurants in other countries that serve Pakistani dishes. You can eat biryani in New York, and in London you can have delicious kebabs. Students, Pakistani food is famous all over the world because of its delicious taste. Students, there are many Pakistani restaurants in European countries and Arab countries that serve Pakistani food. We can eat famous Karachi's biryani in New York and many different countries of the world. Other than this, delicious kebabs are available in London. स्टूडेंट्स, पाकिस्तानी खाने अपने जायके की वजह से पूरी दुनिया में मकबूल हैं. मुख्तलिफ़ ममालिक में पाकिस्तानी रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं जो कि पाकिस्तानी फ़ूड सर्व करते हैं. आप न्यूयॉर्क में बिरयानी और लंदन में पाकिस्तान के कबाब खा सकते हैं. इसके अलावा दूसरे यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ में और अरब ममालिक में भी पाकिस्तानी रेस्टोरेंट्स मौजूद हैं. लेट्स मूव ऑन. From very early times, Asia has been known for the spices that grow here. People from the West came to Asia to take our spices back to their countries. They brought goods and exchanged these for cinnamon, chilies, cardamom, elaichi, pepper, nutmeg, jaifal, cloves, long, turmeric, haldi, and countless other spices. These spices have added flavor, taste, and color to our food for centuries. Students, Asia is famous for its spices that grow here. Asian people like to eat spicy food and their spices have a very wonderful taste. Western people like Asian spices. From very early times, they use Asian spices. They brought their goods and exchanged them with different spices like cinnamon, chilies, cardamom, pepper, nutmeg, cloves, turmeric, and many other spices, which you can see in the picture. Students, these spices are used to enhance the flavor, taste, and color of our food for centuries. स्टूडेंट्स, इब्तिदा से ही एशिया अपनी स्पाइसेस की वजह से मशहूर है। वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज़ के लोग एशिया में अपनी गुड्स लेकर आते थे और फिर उनके बदले मुख्तलिफ मसाले ले जाते थे। ये स्पाइसेस खानों में टेस्ट और कलर को इन्हेंस करने के लिए यूज़ होती हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, इन स्पाइसेस के बहुत से फ़ायदे हैं। अमूमन ये होम रेमेडीज़ में भी यूज़ होती हैं अपनी मेडिसिनल प्रॉपर्टीज़ की वजह से। लेट्स मूव ऑन। Most people in Pakistan eat very simple food. Chapatis, naan or rice are an essential part of our food. These are called staple foods. Chapatis and naan are made from wheat which is grown in many parts of Pakistan. Along with this staple or basic food, the people eat lentils, dal, beans, vegetable dishes, meat and chicken dishes, and fish. Did you know many spices have medicinal properties and are also used in home remedies? Students, mostly people of our country eat very simple food. In our country, chapati, naan, or rice are constant food. We eat chapati or naan with all type of vegetables and meat dishes, and some people eat rice with all types of dishes. Students, chapati and naan are made from wheat and wheat is grown in many parts of Pakistan. As I told you, chapati is used as basic food. It is eaten with lentils, beans, vegetables, meat and chicken dishes and seafood. स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे यहाँ के बहुत से लोग बहुत ही सादा खाना खाते हैं। चपाती, नान और राइस हमारे खानों का लाजमी हिस्सा है, इसलिए इन्हें स्टेपल या बेसिक फूड कहा जाता है। चपाती और नान गंदम से तैयार किए जाते हैं और गंदम पाकिस्तान के मुख्तलिफ हिस्सों में काश्त की जाती है। स्टूडेंट्स, स्टेपल फूड यानी चपाती, नान और राइस दालों, सब्जियों, मुख्तलिफ फलियों, गोश्त, चिकन और मछली वगैरह से बनने वाली डिशेस के साथ खाए जाते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे यहाँ के स्पाइसेस में मेडिसिनल प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती हैं जिसकी वजह से ये होम रेमेडीज़ में भी यूज़ होते हैं। लेट्स मूव ऑन। चपली कबाब एंड चिकन और मटन कढ़ाई विद नान आर द मोस्ट पॉपुलर फूड्स इन खैबर पख्तूनख्वा। In Lahore and other parts of the Punjab, the favorite dishes are nihari, pie, kebab, kunna and biryani, as well as seasonal vegetable dishes. Sajji is a famous Balochi dish and the river fish palla is a specialty of Sindh. However, these foods are now available all over Pakistan. Many Western, Afghani, Chinese and Middle Eastern dishes are also popular in Pakistan. Students, each province has its own traditional food. All of you know about chapli kebab and karahi. In Karachi, we love to eat it. But do you know these dishes are the most popular and traditional dishes of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? Students, Lahore is famous for its food. Nihari and pie are the most famous dishes of Lahore. Other than these, their kebab, kunna, biryani and seasonal vegetables are also famous. Students, Sajji is a famous Balochi dish and river fish palla is the most famous dish of Sindh. Nowadays, all dishes are available in all over Pakistan. Students will live in Karachi, but not only we know about these dishes, they are easily available here. Other than these traditional dishes, continental food, Afghani, Chinese, and Middle Eastern dishes are also available in all over Pakistan. स्टूडेंट्स चपली कबाब, चिकन और मटन कढ़ाई खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के मशहूर खाने हैं। लाहौर के मशहूर खानों में निहारी, पाए, कबाब के अलावा कुन्ना, बिरयानी और दूसरी मौसमी सब्जियां और साग वगैरह शामिल हैं। सज्जी बलूचिस्तान की ट्रेडिशनल डिश है, जबकि पल्ला मछली सिंध की स्पेशलिटी है। ये खाने अपने इलाकों में मशहूर होने के साथ साथ पाकिस्तान के तमाम इलाकों में न सिर्फ मकबूल हैं बल्कि ईज़िली अवेलेबल भी हैं। इसके अलावा पाकिस्तान में मगरबी, चाइनीज़, अफ़गानी और अरबियन डिशेस भी हर जगह अवेलेबल हैं। लेट्स मूव ऑन। Tea, lassi, and nimbu pani are the most popular drinks in Pakistan. Fizzy drinks are also widely available. There is a great range of desserts and sweetmeats including kulfi, kheer, sivaiya, gulab jamun, and rasgulla. Students, tea, lassi, and nimbu pani are the popular drinks of Pakistan. Fizzy drinks are also popular in people, and these are easily available. There are many traditional desserts and sweetmeats, including kulfi, kheer, sivaiya, gulab jamun, and rasgulla, are also easily available. Students, चाय, लस्सी, लीमू पानी पाकिस्तान की पॉपुलर ड्रिंक्स हैं। फिज़ी ड्रिंक्स की भी एक बड़ी रेंज यहाँ पर दस्तयाब है और लोगों में बहुत मकबूल है। इसके अलावा स्वीट डिशेस और मिठाइयाँ जिसमें कुल्फ़ी, खीर, सिवैयाँ, गुलाब जामुन, रसगुल्ले वगैरह शामिल हैं, ये भी यहाँ पर इजीली अवेलेबल हैं। Students, food in Pakistan is cheap and readily available. There are thousands of small restaurants and roadside cafes. There are also many expensive and luxurious restaurants in huge hotels. You can have a meal for 50 rupees, or if you like, you can have one for 500 rupees or more. Students, there are thousands of small restaurants and roadside cafes where cheap and readily food is available. Other than these, there are many expensive, big, and luxurious restaurants in huge hotels. स्टूडेंट्स, पाकिस्तान में सस्ता और तैयार खाना बआसानी मिल जाता है। यहाँ पर हज़ारों की तादाद में छोटे छोटे रेस्टोरेंट्स और रोड साइड कैफ़े मौजूद हैं और इसके अलावा बहुत महंगे और पुरसाइश रेस्टोरेंट्स भी बड़े बड़े होटल्स में हैं। आप यहाँ पाकिस्तान में सस्ता और महंगा खाना दोनों बआसानी खा सकते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, इंशाल्लाह वी विल कंप्लीट दिस चैप्टर इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन। नाउ मूव टूवर्ड्स क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। Students, we have done 3 questions of this chapter in the previous 2 sessions. Now you can see question number 4 on your screen. How many spices can you name? Students, in today's lecture we read about many spices. Here are the name of some spices. You can write other than these: pepper, cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg, cumin, cardamom, turmeric, and coriander. Question number 5. Complete the table. Students, here you have to write the name of well-known poets, well-known writers, and well-known dramatists. Yesterday we read about the famous poets and writers of Pakistan. Here I have mentioned more well-known poets, writers, and dramatists' name. You can see the name of well-known poets in the first column: Habib Jalib, Ahmad Nadeem Qasmi, Munir Niazi, Parveen Shakir, Amjad Islam Amjad. These are the name of well-known poets of Pakistan. Second column shows the name of well-known writers: Saadat Hassan Manto, Bano Qudsiya, Umaira Ahmad, Ibn Insha, Mumtaz Mufti. And third column shows the name of well-known dramatist: Muhammad Mansha, Anwar Maqsood, Hasina Moin, Jamiluddin Ali, Abdul Hamid. Question number 6 is fill in the columns with the name of dance of each province and their favorite food. Students, here you can see three columns. First shows the province name, second shows the favorite food, and third shows the dance. Students, we discussed about the different dances of Pakistan in the first session. So let's begin. Sindh. Favorite food of Sindh is palla fish and their famous dance is Jhumar. Second is Punjab. Punjab's favorite food is pie, nihari, kebab and their famous dance is Luddi and Bhangra. Balochistan's specialty is Sajji and their famous dance is Leva. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's favorite food is Chapli Kebab Karahi and their famous dance is Khatak dance. Students, read this chapter thoroughly. Then do question number 4, 5 and 6 in your social studies copy. Don't forget to make index. Inshallah, we will complete this chapter in the next session. Thank you. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.